Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make heat-resistant food in Zelda Breath of the Wild. To survive the scorching heat of areas like Death Mountain, you'll need special meals. These dishes grant Link a temporary spicy effect, which is crucial for exploration. Understanding the right ingredients and cooking methods will keep you safe and allow you to uncover all the secrets of the hottest regions. It's a simple yet vital skill for any adventurer. The key to heat-resistant food lies in specific ingredients. Spicy peppers are your go-to. You can find them almost anywhere. Sunshrooms, often found in warmer areas, also contribute to the spicy effect. Don't forget warm saflina, a vibrant orange flower that's perfect for these recipes. Combining these items in a cooking pot will infuse your dishes with the necessary protective properties. To cook, simply approach any cooking pot and select your spicy ingredients. The more heat-resistant items you add, the longer the protective effect will last. For instance, just one spicy pepper will give you a basic level of heat resistance for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Experiment with different combinations to achieve varying durations, up to 12 minutes and 30 seconds with 5 ingredients. The primary benefit of heat-resistant food is preventing Link from losing health in scorching areas. This allows you to freely explore Death Mountain, collect valuable resources, and complete quests without worry. Always prepare a good supply of these dishes before heading into any extremely hot region. With the right meals, you can conquer any fiery challenge the world throws your way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.